A historic day for women's rights in Mexico, as on Wednesday, the country's Supreme Court chose to decriminalize abortion, ruling laws that prohibit the procedure as unconstitutional and a violation of women's rights. Federal public health services will now be required to offer abortion to anyone who requests it, a key change, according to this women's rights activist.
While it does not mean total decriminalization throughout the country, it means the elimination of the crime of abortion from the federal penal code. Although it is a code that was not being used for the crime of abortion, it is important in terms of access to services.
The decision comes 2 years after the court ruled that abortion was not a crime in the northern state of Coahuila, which set off a slow process of decriminalization, now the case in 12 states across Mexico. Abortion is still a criminal offense in many parts of the country, however, and while judges in those states will have to abide by the court's decision, many experts said that it would take time to see how Wednesday's ruling is applied. Nevertheless, it is a huge step for Catholic-majority Mexico.
This is for the people who've been raped, for those who've suffered abuse, and who truly do not want to have that baby. And also for those people who cannot afford to support their children and will give them a bad life.
The ruling follows a trend in Latin America. Argentina legalized the procedure in 2020, with Colombia following suit 2 years later. A trend often referred to as a green wave, in reference to the green bandanas carried by women protesting for abortion rights in the region.